Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome again and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Aidonia and wife Kimberly are expecting a baby boy. Dancehall superstar Aidonia and his wife Kimberly are expecting a baby boy. The couple held a baby shower on Sunday. Earlier this month at the Chris Brown concert at the National Stadium, the artist called his pregnant wife to the stage to share the news with their audience that they are expecting another baby. The couple, who tragically lost their son Khalif earlier this year, were all smiles when they learned of the gender of the baby. Kimberly, adorned in a beautiful yellow dress, jumped to joy when the gender of the baby was revealed, using a powder confetti cannon reveal a bright blue color, confirming their baby wish that it was a boy. Aidonia was also in great spirit when he saw the blue powder captivating the air. They were quickly surrounded by friends and family members who cheered them on. We here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to congratulate the couple and wish them all the best. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.